Hello there, I'm Luke from the Clever Car Collection, and today we have got this absolutely stunning little Hyundai, I did this in the last video, Hyundai i10. Now this i10 has got incredibly low mileage, it has got fantastic service history, it would be the perfect first time driver's car, and in today's video I'm going to show you all around it so you know what to expect when coming here to the Clever Car Collection. Let's take a look. Now this i10 has a 1.2 litre petrol engine with a 5-speed manual gearbox, and with that you get a really good fuel economy of 61 miles to the gallon. It has 85 brake horsepower, it's an insurance group 12, and road tax is just £20 for the year. Now, first registered in June 2011, this car has covered just 31,750 miles. So we're going to take just a little walk round, show you the marks on it. We have got a little mark down here on the front bumper. As for the rest of the bumper, all looking good. Bonnet, very shiny. Windscreen, all looking good. On this front driver's quarter, now all of these plastic hubcaps have got some scuffs on them, but you can always change them if you don't like that. They're only plastic. But as for the bodywork, all looking very tidy down here. Nothing to note. This hubcap, got a little bit of scuffing there. Round to the back here, the rear bumper. All looking good. On here, we've got a little bit of staining around there on the keyhole, whatever you call it. Windscreen's all looking good at the back here. Windscreen, rear screen. This wheel, again, the hubcap's got a bit of scuffing just there. The bodywork down here, all looking good. Can't see anything. Very light scratch here on the mirror. A little bit of rust down there, bit of paint flaking off, but it's very small. I say, when you stand back, it's minuscule. Now, this front hubcap here, it's got some scuffing on it too. But other than that, the bodywork really is immaculate. For the age of the car, it's phenomenal. Right, let's take a look inside. Opening up the boot here, just show you the boot. You've got a parcel shelf here, which you just pop up like so. You do get a decent amount of storage in the boot, and under here you have got a spare wheel with a fitting kit. Just show you the back seats here. These back seats, immaculate, no marks or rips or anything on them. They're in very good condition. Fantastic. And the two outer seats have got Isofix points just there. Old-fashioned wind-up windows. Now let's take a look in the front here. Again, immaculate. I keep saying that about this car, but I'm just personally quite impressed with this car. It really is in good condition. I mean, look at that, very tidy. Now it's very simple, this car, but the front two windows are electric here on the door. Just hop in here, you've got a rear fog light button there. There's your wipers, there's your indicators and lights. There's your stereo with a CD player. You have got aux and USB as well as radio, as I might have already said that. Now here's your climate controls, you've got AC there and a rear heated screen. There's your gear stick, there's your handbrake, a couple of cup holders and a 12-volt socket. As you can see, I have got the engine running, there's no warning lights on the dash, and there's the odometer, which currently reads at 31685, very low. And as you can see, the stereo is all working. With an MOT, service and a 3-month, 3,000 mile warranty as standard, which you can upgrade to a 6 or 12 month if you wish. Now this car has got services every year, all the way from 2011 to 2025. And in 2026, we will also service it. But if you like this car, you need to go at the £100 reservation fee, which is deductible from the total bill should you purchase it. We do also offer delivery. But I think that's it for this video. If you get a chance, please check out our reviews on Google and Auto Trader. We're very proud of them. But thank you for watching.